Hey, it's Marina, travel experta. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about mama and son or mama and daughter dates. Are you ready to make every day an adventure? Let's begin. So I've always enjoyed taking my sons out for like a lunch, for a little mini date. Because my kids are 6 years difference, I used to do a lot of it with my firstborn. When he was little, we used to go into quite a lot of things together, just mama and son dates, I used to call them, or mama and son travel. We used to go to get maybe ice cream, or it's always a restaurant that they want to go to. Otherwise, it will not be a fun date. And then when my second child was born, obviously it becomes a little bit harder, right? Because they're smaller. You want to always bring the two of them together. But as he got a little bit older, I started to really want to give each one of my sons their time, right? So we would do mother and son days. We used to do it maybe once every 2 weeks, once a month, and obviously a lot more that I would do together with both of my sons together. But just this connection of keeping that one-on-one, it really helps you connect with each other. It's amazing how many families forget to do that one-on-one. And I have to say, it really, really changes the relationship. It brings you closer together. It also makes them feel a lot more important, which is great. And I also like to take it up a notch. I've had quite a few that mama and son travel times just with my oldest or just with my youngest, and of course with both of my sons together as well. And it's really, really an incredible thing. I remember reading a book by Stephen Covey. His most famous book is 7 Habits of Highly Successful People. And he is a father of 8. I'm pretty sure it's 8 or 9. I'm pretty sure it's 8 kids. And he used to do that once a week, take a different kid out once per week. And they all knew it, and it was something super special. And in that way, he was able to connect with each child. It was every 2 months, but still, it's a beautiful thing. And I recommend it. And you don't have to. And the cool thing with kids is that usually it's not an expensive thing, right? It could be an ice cream. It could be a crepe. The older they get, yes, they might have more refined taste, but it still isn't expensive and it's fun. And if you can't afford to take them out, maybe just buy some food and just the two of you could make something together. It's that one-on-one time that makes all the difference in the world. All right, guys, if you need more ideas for making every day an adventure, especially with your child, the one-on-one, go to travelexperta.com, travelexpert with an A.com. And if you enjoyed this episode, please leave me a review and share it with your friends. And remember, make every day an adventure.